Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Okay, hi guys. Speaking is Lerato Nkosi, the founder and executive here, Jeans Jeans. So what Jeans Jeans is, we are a local brand that offers good quality jeans that can be found at big retail stores at an expensive price, but we offer them for 280. So the business started back in 2019 when I was still a student, and it had been maybe 3 years since I had bought a perfect fitting jeans. I couldn't find them unless they were very expensive, and then I found a spot, and then I got the jeans, and then I realized that actually there's a lot of South African women that are experiencing the same problem that I was experiencing, and then it started from there. I saw the gap in the market for a shortage of good quality jeans and those that are affordable and sustainable. You can find us on Instagram, where we basically show off our jeans, explain to you what we offer, where we also advertise our specials. Our handles are Jeans Jeans. On Facebook, we're Jeans Jeans SA. Twitter is Jeans Jeans SA. And then we have a website, which is Jeans Jeans SA as well. You can also find us at our physical store. We are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., which is 36 Mapire Street, Mofokeng section, here in Katlehong. Hey. Hi, I'm Lerato, and I am a township entrepreneur.